Ever wondered how all those numbers, invoices, and reports in QuickBooks actually get stored? I mean, you type in a customer's name, record a sale, and boom, it's all there organized. But like how? Is it magic? Or some kind of digital filing cabinet wizardry? If you've ever paused, staring at the QuickBooks interface and asked yourself, what format is this stuff even in? Then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the inner workings of QuickBooks, demystifying the data storage, and finally answering that burning question. Now, before we get into the technical nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and appreciate just how crucial QuickBooks is for so many businesses. From the local bakery keeping track of ingredient costs to the growing e-commerce store managing thousands of transactions, QuickBooks is the backbone of financial organization. It's the digital ledger, the expense tracker, and the report generator all rolled into one. And with that kind of responsibility, you can bet it needs a robust and reliable way to store all that data. Imagine trying to run your business without a system like QuickBooks. You'd be drowning in paper receipts, struggling to reconcile bank statements, and probably pulling your hair out come tax season. That's why understanding how QuickBooks handles its data isn't just a technical curiosity. It's about appreciating the foundation upon which so many businesses operate. So, let's get down to brass tacks. The question is, what format does QuickBooks use? The short answer is, it depends. QuickBooks utilizes a proprietary database format, primarily based on the Sybase SQL Anywhere database engine. Now, you might be thinking, Sybase SQL Anywhere? What's that? Well, it's a relational database management system, RDBMS, designed for embedded and mobile applications. It's known for its small footprint, reliability, and ease of use, making it perfect for the demands of QuickBooks. Let's break that down. A relational database, in its simplest form, is a way of organizing data into tables. Think of it like a spreadsheet, but on steroids. Each table represents a different aspect of your business, like customers, invoices, or inventory. These tables are then linked together using relationships, allowing QuickBooks to pull data from multiple sources and generate those comprehensive reports we all rely on. This structure allows for incredible flexibility and efficiency. For example, when you create an invoice, QuickBooks doesn't just store the invoice details in isolation. It also updates related tables like the customer's balance, the sales ledger, and potentially the inventory levels. This interconnectedness ensures that your financial data is always accurate and up-to-date. But it's not just about the database engine itself. QuickBooks also employs various file formats for storing and managing data. The primary file format you'll encounter is the .qbw file. This is the main data file that holds all your company's financial information. Think of it as the central hub of your QuickBooks universe. Inside the .qbw file, the Sybase SQL Anywhere database organizes the data into those tables we mentioned. These tables hold everything from customer details to transaction histories to financial reports. The database engine then uses SQL, structured query language, to interact with this data, allowing QuickBooks to retrieve, update, and manipulate information as needed. Along with the .qbw file, QuickBooks uses several other auxiliary files to support its operations. These include .qba. This is the accountant's copy file, used for transferring data between the company file and the accountant's version. .qbb. This is the backup file, used for creating copies of your company data for safekeeping. .qbm. This is the portable company file, used for transferring data between different versions of QuickBooks. .qbx. This is the accountant's transfer file, used for transferring changes made by the accountant back to the company file. .tlg. This is the transaction log file, which records all changes made to the database, ensuring data integrity and recoverability. These files, along with the Sybase SQL Anywhere database, work in tandem to provide a robust and reliable data storage system for QuickBooks. Now, it's important to note that the specific format and underlying database structure can vary slightly depending on the version of QuickBooks you're using. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, regularly updates its software to improve performance, security, and functionality. These updates may involve changes to the database schema, file formats, and overall data management techniques. One of the key advantages of using a relational database like Sybase SQL Anywhere is scalability. As your business grows and your data volume increases, QuickBooks can handle the additional load without sacrificing performance. The database engine is designed to efficiently manage large datasets, ensuring that your financial information remains accessible and responsive. Another important aspect is data integrity. QuickBooks employs various mechanisms to ensure that your data is accurate and consistent. These include data validation rules, transaction logging, and backup and recovery procedures. These measures help to prevent data corruption and ensure that your financial records are reliable. For example, the transaction log.tlg file plays a crucial role in maintaining data integrity. It records every change made to the database, allowing QuickBooks to recover from system failures or data corruption. If something goes wrong, QuickBooks can use the transaction log to roll back to a previous state, ensuring that your data is not lost. Furthermore, QuickBooks also provides features for data security. You can set up user permissions to control who has access to your financial information, and you can encrypt your company file to protect it from unauthorized access. These security measures are essential for safeguarding your sensitive business data. In more modern iterations, there is also the option to use QuickBooks Online. This utilizes cloud-based storage and therefore is held on Intuit servers. These servers naturally use a variety of database structures and storage options managed by Intuit and are not accessible by the average QuickBooks user. This is a very different format to the desktop versions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.